Inflation and a major new effort to tamp down those rising prices, the Federal Reserve has announced the biggest increase in its key short-term interest rate in more than 20 years. That rate going up by half a percentage point, all part of the battle to rein in prices, which, of course, have been rising for most Americans. I mean, take a look at this. Since March of last year, the cost of food, energy, and gas have all seen major increases. So the big question is, will the Fed strategy work? CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here to tell us. Jill, good morning.
Good morning. Well, this move was expected, and it's intended to thread a very precise needle. We're trying to see if the Fed can ease prices without triggering a recession or job losses. Now, that half-point increase for short-term interest rates, the largest since the year 2000, and it aims to do two things. One, we were going to see if the Fed can remove the economic boost that they provided during the COVID recession. And two, as we've been talking about for a long time, they're trying to fight inflation. And that inflation rate is increasing at the fastest pace in more than 4 decades. So this hike means you may see interest rates rise on everything from credit card balances to new auto loans, adjustable rate mortgages, even some small business loans. Good news, investors cheered that the Fed is going to be able to execute this strategy, that it's on target after a brutal April. And we all felt that brutal April. And early losses to begin the day yesterday. All 3 major stock market indexes soared by roughly 3% on the session. So, Tony, good news. You can stop texting me, and you can actually check your 401k
My 401k,
statement.
that's right, because I want to retire like tomorrow.
Exactly.
Not quite time yet. All right, so that is the Fed strategy. I understand that now. How quickly could it work for people?
Well, it will start to work within months, meaning that it will mean that the inflation rate will stop going up. But prices are going to remain high for probably 6, 12, maybe even 18 more months. The Fed strategy is a 2-year strategy, and we're just at the beginning of this process.
So it went up relatively slowly to a new high, and it's going to take some time for it to come back down.
You betcha.
All right, Jill, thank you very much.
Okay, Nate and I are checking our 401ks, too.
No doubt about it.
Thank you very much, Jill. Always good to see you.